For today's nail art, we are going to be stamping some flamingos. I'm starting off with my nails polished Snow Me White from Sinful Colors, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For the background, I'm going to use UberChic Lovely Leaves 2, and the color I'm using is Silver Fox from MoYou London. For the flamingos, I'm using Stamping Plate Summer 3 from Lina and Drunk Tank Pink from Hit the Bottle. Remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.